Let us look how it is prepared. So common salt or sodium chloride can be made in the laboratory by the combination of sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. Okay, so how it is obtained in the laboratory? By reacting sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. So we have to take both the aqueous solution, sodium hydroxide solution and hydrochloric acid solution. When it is react together, what we get is sodium chloride and water. Sodium chloride and water. The sodium chloride solution formed here can be evaporated to obtain solid sodium. So from what we get here is the solution of sodium chloride because water is present. So it is an aqueous solution. If you want to get the solid sodium chloride, we have to evaporate. How we are evaporating? Take it in a china dish or in a wash glass and evaporate it. Just heat it. So what is left in the wash glass is the crystal of sodium chloride. This is the common method we follow in the laboratory. But sodium chloride is never made in this way on large scale. Why? Because it's already the sodium chloride is present in the nature in abundance. So because of that, we must not need any laboratory preparation for obtaining the sodium chloride. It is already available in the nature. So just purify and get it, or through evaporation method or from the underground deposit itself we get the sodium chlorides. So industrial preparation is not much followed on large scale. Okay, so this is the common method we have to follow to prepare sodium chloride. Next we have to study the uses of sodium chloride. So it can be asked for 1 mark question. Usually you know that why we are using sodium chloride. It's used as a raw materials. It is used in food industries as a food person. Not only food industries, in our home also, for household purpose, for preserving, as a preservative we use in the home. So it is widely used in food industries as a food preservative and as a flavor enhancer. So we can say that it is used as a preservative in pickles and curing, especially meat and fish. If you want to preserve it, we will cure. അതിന് പറയുന്ന പേരാണ് curing, CURING, curing the meat, ഉണക്കുക എന്നൊക്കെ പറയും, ഉപ്പിട്ട് ഉണക്കുന്നത്. So preserving meat and fish. Then as a preservative, and it is used as a flavor അല്ലേ, ഉപ്പില്ലാതെ കഴിക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല, അത് ഫ്ലേവറാണ്. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ് യൂസ് ഈസ് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് മേജർ raw materials in the industrial manufacturing of various chemicals. So next we will study various substances that obtain from various chemicals that obtain from common salt. So it is a major raw materials in industries manufacturing sodium carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate. So we will study later. These are the important substances that we can obtain from sodium chloride. The next important use is it is used in glass production. Okay, it is used in the glass, making glass. Then in cold countries it is used to prevent the buildup of ice on roads, bridges, etc., which is important for safe driving condition. As you know that during this especially the cold countries, in cold countries we can see heap of ice on roads, bridges, etc. In order to remove that, it's very difficult to remove, so that people usually spread common salt to melt the ice that is collected on the roads during winter in cold countries. Then it is used in the manufacture of soap. Soap ഉണ്ടാക്കാനും നമ്മൾ മെയിൻ ഇൻഗ്രീഡിയൻ്റ് ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കുന്നത്, മെയിൻ അല്ല, ഒരു വൺ ഓഫ് ദ ഇൻഗ്രീഡിയൻറ്റ് that we are taking for the manufacture of soap is common salt. So these are the important uses of sodium chloride. First one is it is widely used used as a preservative in industry as well as for cooking food to improve the flavor of food. So not why we are taking in the sodium chloride? We know that, as I mentioned earlier, it is good for the body, for the working of nervous system, for the movement of muscles, and especially the production of hydrochloric acid in stomach that helps in digestion of food. So സോഡിയത്തിൻ്റെയോ ക്ലോറിനോ സോഡിയമോ ഉള്ള എല്ലാ കോമ്പൗണ്ട്സും ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിരിക്കുന്നത് സോഡിയം ക്ലോറൈഡ് വഴിയാണ്. സോഡിയവും ക്ലോറൈഡും ക്ലോറിനും അടങ്ങിയ ഏത് കോമ്പൗണ്ടും എടുത്തു നോക്കിയാൽ അത് ഉണ്ടാക്കിയിരിക്കുന്ന അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അത് പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്തേക്കുന്നത് സോഡിയം ക്ലോറൈഡ് വഴിയാണ്. സോ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് വെരി ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ്. ദെൻ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് യൂസ്ഡ് ഇൻ ഗ്ലാസ് പ്രൊഡക്ഷൻ ആൻഡ് ഫോർ റിമൂവിങ് ice or melting ice which collects on the roads during winter in cold countries. We will spread common salt, and it is used in the manufacture of soap. So today we have studied the first salt, that is common salt, sodium chloride, and how common salt is obtained, and the preparation of common salt in the laboratory, and lastly we studied uses of common salt. So hope you understood this small section. Thank you.